Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. Today in this video we are going to discuss a new topic, string in Java. So our task is write a program in Java to accept a string and count the number of vowels present in the string. So for that we having a sample input, a word like computer. So in this word we have to find out the output, the number of vowels present in the string. So right now here we are having a 3 vowels like O, U and E. As we know that the characters like A, E, I, O and U are known as vowels in the English alphabet. Any character other than that is known as the consonant. Now to solve this problem, what you have to do, we have to run a loop and match each character of the vowels with the A, E, I, O and U. If the match is found, then increase the value of count by 1. Otherwise, continue. Let's try to understand how to count the total number of vowels present in the string. Suppose we having a word computer and each character of the computer stored in an index form starting from 0 to 7. So at the beginning we having a vowels equal to 0. Now compare each character starting from C. Now here we are comparing with C, that is the C is equal to A, E, I, O and U. No, this condition is false. So the next character will come from the position 1, that is O. O is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Yes, it is equal to O. So the vowels here, it will increase the value 1. Next character in the position of 2, that is M. Now M is equal to A, E, I, O, U. No, it is a false. So vowels will remain same as it is equal to 1. The next character in the position of 3 will come. Now it will compare to the vowels. No, this is the condition false. So vowels will not increase. Next character U, it is in the position of 4. It will compare with the vowels. Yes, it is true, it is equal to U. So here the vowels will increase the value 2. Next character we having T, that is in the position of 5. Now T is not equal to A, E, I, O and U. So the vowels will remain 2. Next character we having E, that is in the position of 6th place. Now E is equal to A, E, I, O and U. Yes, it is equal to E vowels. So here the vowels will increase the value 3. Last character we having R, that is in the position of 7. Now R is equal to A, E, I, O and U. No, this condition is false. So the vowels, the value will remain 3 only. So in this way we can count the total number of vowels present in the string, and rest of all characters are consonant. So let's start our program in Java. Start with the class name vowels. So before that, write down import java.io.asterisk semicolon class vowels 3 here, curly braces open for the class. Here we'll write public static void main string arguments throws exception. Here the E capital. Write the curly braces for the main method. Here we'll write the buffered reader br new buffered reader new input stream reader system dot in. Here we'll start with the data type string, that is S, and int data type for I to read the characters with the index, comma, and axis for the length of the string, and char ch for the extract the character. So first we'll write the message system.out.println. We'll give the message enter a string. Here we will input a word where we have to find out the vowels. So the variable is sbr dot read line. So we'll start with the we'll count the length of the string. So x equal to s dot length. This one for counting the length of the string. We'll start with the loop for I equal to 0, I less than x. It will go till the less than length of the string, and I plus plus. Ch is to extract the character. So the syntax is s dot char at function and index I. This one will extract the character from the beginning. So if ch, that character, is equal vowels single inverted comma a, or we'll write this one, we'll copy this one. This is for a, e, then I, o, and u. So this is for u. We can also give for the small letter also, means the lowercase also. So for that, what we will do, we will copy the entire vowels, copy this one and paste here. What we have to do, we will change the capital letters into a small a, e, I, o, and u. So it will check the lowercase and uppercase both. So if the condition is true, so it will count the vowels. So what we have to do, here we will initialize the vowels v equal to 0. When this condition will match, it will count the vowels. Then here we will give the message system.out.println the number of vowels is equal to plus v, semicolon, curly braces close for main method, this one for the class. So now compile this program. There is no syntax error. Close. Right click on the vowels class file, void main. Okay. Here we will put the word computer. You can check the number of vowels equal to 3. So in this way we can find out the number of vowels present in the word. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.